What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I want you to go ahead and check me out tonight. I will be going live on YouTube at Jonny Bubbles. We'll be playing some Warzone live. But for today's video, guys, I am going to be cleaning these Reebok Club C Hot One editions, as you can see from the insole. Now, these shoes are definitely trashed. I'm not sure what Matthew and the team did with these, but I'm excited to clean them up with Rejuvenator's signature kit. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for today's video, I am only gonna be cleaning the left shoe today, so I'm gonna put this right one aside. Typically, I do the right shoe, but I wanted to mix it up this time. Now, the first step, guys, is grabbing your adjustable shoe tree and adjusting it to size. Now, these are a size 10, so it's gonna be about the 4th hole all the way up there. Now, you wanna make sure you put your shoe tree in like this. You never wanna do it this way, because you can definitely break the shoe tree. So make sure you fold it down, insert it into the shoe, and you wanna go ahead and apply pressure so it locks in there, and as you can see, I went ahead and how to reduce the creasing. All right, next step, guys, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, you want to go ahead and grab your bottle of solution here, pour a few squirts into your bowl of water, and of course you want to start cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, the uppers are all done. I went ahead and took care of them with the soft bristle brush, and as you can see, the shoes are starting to clean up really nice. Besides this tongue here, it does look a little dingy, but that's why we need to use a signature kit, because putting them in the wash is gonna go ahead and flush out this tongue, hopefully not leave it all dingy and get it nice and clean again. But I'm excited to be cleaning this pair, guys, because Hot Ones is definitely one of my favorite shows on YouTube right now. Sean Evans does a great job interviewing, and of course, it's crazy how he's able to just eat mild wings all the way up to like the craziest spice, because I could definitely never do that. But Sean Evans, if you're watching this video and you want me on the show, I'll be more than happy to take on some wings. But let's go ahead and get back into the cleaning, guys, and take on this midsole with the medium brush. Next step, guys, is to go ahead and clean the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. But before I go ahead and do that, on this midsole, there is like a deep scuff here, which looks like probably tire mark, like when you kick a tire. I'm not sure if the stiff brush will get rid of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to scrub it as best as I can. If not, I'm gonna take the microfiber towel, dip it into solution, and try to scrub it. Hopefully that works as well. So we'll go ahead and take care of that and then get to the outsoles. All right, guys, before I get into the lace cleaning, I do want to announce that we are giving one lucky person a chance at winning a signature kit. All you have to do is comment below where is the best place to get wings and your Instagram handle. And that's it, and we'll be choosing a winner in 72 hours. Good luck. All right, let me show you guys what the shoe looks like after the brush cleaning. As you can see, it cleaned up really, really well. Now, I'm still gonna put it in the wash because the inner lining here is still stained, so hopefully the laundry system gets rid of that. And of course, the tongue does look a little dingy, so hopefully it cleans out that tongue as well. But before we put this in the wash, I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside our laundry bag, and then I'm gonna scrub our laces before we put them in the bag as well to get just, that extra clean. All right, guys, let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these dry for a couple hours, and as you can see, they cleaned up super, super nice. Now, I'm a really big fan of this pair. This is actually the first time I had them in hand, and I gotta say, that the details on this are super fire, even though they're subtle, like the little chicken on the back, the Scoville units, chili pepper on the front, and then the stitching to match the Scoville unit. The laces are blocking, but you know what I'm saying. Like the details on this are super dope. And then the insole, of course, has the Hot Ones logo on it. But all the products I use today, guys, can be found at reshoevn8er.com. If you like today's video, make sure you hit me with that like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.